Assalamualaikum and good morning everyone. We are still in our first topic, scientific skills. So today we will learn about measuring and using numbers. So today we will talk about what is measuring and using numbers, measuring tools, standard units, and examples of how to measure things and using numbers. Okay, what is measuring and using numbers? Measuring is a skill to make observations using numbers and standard unit tools. So, apa yang kita nak belajar hari ini ialah kemahiran mengukur dan menggunakan nombor, measuring and using numbers. Okay? Menggunakan alat dan unit yang piawai. These are some examples of measuring tools and standard units. For ruler, the standard units used are centimeter or meter. Weighing scale, the standard units used are kilogram or gram. And then stopwatch, the standard unit used is second. Measuring tape, centimeter or meter. And then measuring cylinder, liter or milliliter. Okay class, now open your textbook, page 8. Measure and use numbers. Okay, there's a conversation between friends, a boy and a girl. My body weight is 24 kilograms. How do you measure your body weight? I measure my body weight using this weighing scale. Okay, the situation is, situasi di sini, murid ini menimbang berat badan dan berat badan murid perempuan ini ialah 24 kilogram. Your body weight is 35 kilograms. You are heavier than I am. Okay? Berat murid lelaki ini ialah 35 kilograms. Jadi, the boy is heavier than the girl. Although we are of the same age, we have different body weight. Nurul and Kanang measure their body weight. They measure it using the correct standard tool. They apply the skill of measuring and using numbers. Okay, so here the standard tool they use is weighing scale, and the standard unit they use is kilogram.
This is a ball. Now we are going to measure the circumference of the ball. The best measurement tool to measure the circumference of a ball is measuring tape. This is because the ball is round in shape and a measuring tape is a flexible ruler which can follow the shape of the ball. Now I'm going to show you how to measure the ball using the measuring tape. One side of the tape is in inches and another side is in cm. So, let me show you how to measure it in cm. It's about 46.3 cm. This is a toy car. We're going to measure how long it takes to stop moving. The best way to measure the time taken by the car to stop moving is by using a stopwatch. This is because stopwatch is a handheld timepiece which is designed to measure the amount of time that elapses between the activation and deactivation. To use a stopwatch, you will need to press the start button at the beginning of an event and then press the stop button to stop at the ending of an event. Usually, start and stop are the same button. To use again, you just need to press the reset button. Let me show you how to use. It took 2.5 seconds for the car to stop. This is an orange. Let's find out the weight of an orange. The best measurement tool to find out the weight is using a weighing scale. This is because weighing scales measure the weight or mass of an item and provide the reading in grams, kilograms, pounds, ounces or stones. Before you measure, ensure that the scale is pointing at 0 gram. If not, you'll need to adjust it. We are going to weigh the orange now. Check out the reading. The orange is 250 grams. This is a book. We are going to measure the length of this book. The best measurement tool to use to measure the length is a ruler. This is because ruler is used to measure a straight line. Let me show you how to measure the length. Just ensure when you are recording the measurement, your eye position is straight facing the measurement point. It's 11.7 centimeters.
To conclude today's lesson, measuring is a skill to make observations using numbers and standard unit tools.
So for today's task, we are going to use this Science Year 2 activity book. Okay, because I think today all of you will get this book. So, I want you to do page 5 and 6. Now, let's look at page 5 first. Okay, the title is Which is More? Okay, you need to write the date. Today is 4 February 2021. Okay, let us read the instruction. Jar A can be filled with 2 cups of water, while jar B can be filled with 4 cups of water. So you can see here, jar A is smaller than jar B. So jar A can be filled with 2 cups of water. Jar A boleh diisi dengan 2 cawan air. While jar B can be filled with 4 cups of water. Jar B boleh diisi dengan 4 cawan air. Okay. Jar A 2 cups of water. Jar B 4 cups of water. Okay. So number 1, jar, okay, blank, can be filled with more water than jar. So here in the box, you need to write A or B. Okay. Which jar can be filled with more water? So you need to write the answer here and also here. Okay, number 2. Water from jar A was poured into beaker C to measure the volume. Okay, water from jar A here was poured into beaker C. Okay, air dari jar A dituang ke dalam beaker C. Okay, then water from jar B was poured into beaker D. Okay, B was poured into beaker D. Sketch the water level of beaker D. So, what you need to do is sketch the water level of beaker D. Okay, you need to sketch here. Okay, tadi jar A ni can be filled with 2 cups of water, right? Okay, jar A boleh diisi dengan 2 cawan air. Okay, when poured into beaker C, jadi takat dia di sini 2 garis panjang. Okay, garis panjang yang pertama mewakili 1 cawan, dan garis panjang yang kedua mewakili 2 cawan. Okay, jar A can be filled with 2 cups of water. Then water from jar A ni was poured into beaker C. So water level dia dekat sini. Okay, di 2 garis panjang. Now you need to sketch the water level of beaker D. Okay, jar B yang asalnya tadi boleh diisi dengan 4 cawan air, 4 cups of water. Okay, jar B, 4 cups of water was poured into beaker D. Okay, air dari jar B dituang ke dalam beaker D. So you need to sketch the water level of beaker D. Di mana kamu rasa paras air? Okay, bagi 4 cups of water. Di mana paras air untuk 4 cups of water? Okay. Settle page 5. Okay, turn to page 6. Okay, now page 6. Standard tools. Okay, date. You need to write the same date. Okay, for February 2021. Okay, number 1. The length of the textbook measured with the ruler is, okay, berapa sentimeter? Okay, here is the picture of the textbook. So you need to take the reading here. Okay, and write the answer here. Okay, how long is the textbook? Okay, number 2. For number 2, you need to use your own ruler. Take out your own ruler. Use a ruler to measure the AB line below. Use a ruler to measure the AB line below. Okay, AB. You need to put your ruler here starting with 0 here. Okay, di hujung ini bermula dengan 0. Then you need to take the reading until hujung ni. Berapa sentimeter? The length of the AB line is, okay, write your answer here. Okay, berapa sentimeter? Number 3. Use the ruler to draw a line of 10 centimeter long in the box below. Use the ruler to draw a line of 10 centimeter long in the box below. Okay, same like the above. Okay, you put your ruler here. Okay, starting from 0, and then you draw a straight line until 10 centimeter. Okay, starting from 0, draw a straight line until 10 centimeter. So I hope all of you can do this task. And if you have any problem or any question you want to ask me, you can ask me personally. That's all for today. Okay. Before I forget, okay, you need to take pictures of your work and turn in the Google Classroom. Okay. Stay safe and happy learning.